Jad from Eummena, congratulations. You're the Education Contributor of the Year for 2024. Tell me a little bit about your company and what you've been doing. Why do you think you won this award?
Okay, thank you, Dan. We are very glad to receive this award. Eummena is one of the premium Moodle partners in the Moodle Partnership Network. We are a Belgian-based company, and we provide services in Europe, but also in other regions like Saudi Arabia, the Emirates, and Egypt. So we provide the full stream of Moodle services from fully SaaS solutions to custom solutions, self-hosted. Also, our team is very experienced in customizations and making Moodle more impactful for corporate, for universities, and as well for the government.
Okay. Can you tell me maybe some of the projects that you've been working on this year? So what's the coolest things your customers are doing with Moodle right now?
At Eummena, actually, we use Moodle for different purposes. So we always try to see what's the purpose we want to serve in every project we take. So I want to highlight on one very impactful project we implemented in Belgium, in the Dutch-speaking part, Flanders. It's a project where we used Moodle as the platform, the main platform, to provide talented students to do a kind of competition. Mm-hmm. A few questions, so kids from 9 to 12-year-old doing this competition at a national level, all schools, and Moodle was used the platform for them to answer a set of questions for the competition in STEM. It's called STEM Olympiad. Very well known in Flanders, and this is the second year we are implementing this project. It was very successful last year. We published this success story on Moodle site. So this project, the interesting part of it is the scalability. It shows how Moodle is scalable. Yeah. We are handling 60,000 students. More than 2,000 at the same time, coming from 800 schools across Flanders. That's really a very interesting project, and very proud of the team that managed to make Moodle very intuitive for this, class of students, small ones, where the system has to be very intuitive. And I think we achieved amazing results there.
Excellent. And you've been doing some cool things in AI as well, I hear?
That's very true. So Eummena, the foundation of Eummena is actually as an R&D company, a spin-off of the University of Leuven in Belgium. So we always see ourselves as innovative companies. So we work with our partners to make Moodle Actually, Moodle is an open architecture. This is how we see Moodle. So we do projects, we implement projects where we, let's say, prove this. So we integrate AI with, for example, we integrate Moodle with learning record stores. So we track the student behavior in Moodle, but also in other environments. Think of XR, think of like content platforms. So we track the students, and then we store everything in one repository. And on top of this, we are now planning to use AI. And this is a project with the university, Augmented Research Group in KU Leuven. So we are putting on top of the LRS AI, so we are making some processes on the data that we will detect some associations, and based on these associations, we will send to the teacher on the dashboard some like kind of directions. We are calling it actionable, it's an actionable dashboard. Sure. So highlights to help the teacher advise the student better.
Yeah.
So it's a huge data indeed. Yeah. It's a huge data, so we are trying to help the teacher rather than doing his job.
And that's live now? Or are you building that?
We are in the process of implementing this project. It's not live. We have an early implementation of the dashboard. It's live in our solution. Yeah. Most of our clients have access to it. So if you go to Moodle, you have very nice dashboards, and then you see who completed what tasks and the percentage and so on. Yeah. This is live, but not based on AI. The AI component, we are adding it at the moment.
Sounds very exciting. What else in the year ahead? What can you tell us about what Eummena are going to be doing for the next 12 months? You're going to be back winning more awards next year?
I think, yes, that's always the plan. I mean, that's on our agenda, indeed. We are now focusing on making Moodle the platform for the corporate sector. We have a very wide experience now with different clients from professional learning in Belgium, in other countries also especially Saudi Arabia as well, beside Belgium. So in those two countries, we have very interesting projects working with the large corporate clients. So we will be focusing on making the platform, delivering on their needs, and actually helping the client achieving their goals of learning and development. So this will be our mission for the coming year. So making really Moodle Workplace the product for the corporate sector, because we believe Moodle Workplace have all the components that can help learning and development managers achieve their goals inside the organization. So this includes, for example, outcome-based learning, showing them how the competence frameworks work, also integrating Moodle with payment gateways. We have a diverse set of payment gateways we are integrating Moodle with. Also, as I mentioned earlier, briefly, the XR, we're integrating with XR platforms. Also, gamification is something we are working on. So these things that are making us busy realizing the value our clients want to have from the product.
Busy year ahead. Excellent.
Indeed.
And just touch on briefly what being a Moodle certified partner means to you and how you use that in the marketplace.
I think this is a very, it's a huge support to us, because Moodle, being a certified partner, meaning we have access to the whole resources at Moodle HQ, and the support. We have support when it comes to the possibilities of using the product with the team of Moodle Workplace or the team of the LMS, as well the team of branded mobile app. I think we have also large experience there. So we are getting all support from the team whenever it's needed, mainly, of course, with the large clients. With large clients, you sometimes have some specific situations where you need to see how the product can be positioned, or if there are some customization needed and so on. So this is also discussed with Moodle HQ. So it's nice, really. We see this partnership working very well.
Excellent, likewise. And finally, just how you enjoyed your time in Mérida, Mexico, and lots of familiar faces at the Global Moot.
Always nice to be back and see the colleagues from the community of Moodle. So far we have been very busy, so looking forward in the coming days to see more of the city itself.
Yeah, exactly. That'd be nice. Good. All right. Congratulations again.
Thanks a lot, Dan. Thanks.
Cheers.